Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Goodbudget is and how it works. Goodbudget is a personal finance app that helps you manage your money using a digital version of the classic envelope budgeting method. The app is available on the web, iOS, and Android devices. It's designed to help you plan your spending, track your expenses, and stay on top of your financial goals. So, how does it work? Goodbudget's core function is the virtual envelope system. You create digital envelopes for all of your spending categories, such as groceries, rent, entertainment, and savings. When you get paid, you allocate a specific amount of money into each of these virtual envelopes. As you spend, you manually log each transaction and deduct the amount from the corresponding envelope. This gives you a clear, real-time view of how much money you have left to spend in each category for the month. Goodbudget is designed for a hands-on approach to budgeting. While the premium version now offers bank syncing, a key feature of the app is the manual entry, which encourages you to be more mindful of your spending. Goodbudget is also great for shared budgets. You can sync your budget across multiple devices, so you and a partner can both track expenses and stay on the same page with your finances. The app also provides reports to help you analyze your spending habits and monitor your progress toward paying off debt or saving for big expenses. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.